Good day guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to turn text into speech on TikTok. Guys, it's pretty easy. You open TikTok, you press the plus icon and you have to record a video. The video should be longer than the text, so the video doesn't cut the text that you want to turn into speech. This is pretty easy, so anybody can do it. With this method, your videos will be more pretty. Look how the video that I recorded is pretty much longer than the text I will type on the video. You press on add text and type your text that you want to turn into speech. You can change your color, font, and you can add a background to your text so it looks more pretty. When you're done typing your text, you back out and drag it where you want to put it. Then you press text to speech and you're done.
Haha, this is funny.
And that should be all on how to turn text into speech on TikTok.